Namaskaram. Who penned Brahmanjali? Sri B.L.N. Acharya. Who composed music for Brahmanjali? Sri Kocherla Kota Surya Prakash Rao. Who choreographed Brahmanjali? Padma Bhushan Dr. Vempati Chinasatyam. Who is known as Kuchipudi Murtitrayam? Guru Sri Chinta Venkataramaya, Guru Sri Vempati Venkatanarayana, Guru Sri Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri. Who is known as modern or Adhunika Kuchipudi Natya Murti Trayam? Guru Sri Padma Bhushan Vempati Chinasatyam, Padma Shri Vedantam Satyanarayana Sharma, పసుమతి వేణుగోపాల కృష్ణ శర్మ గారు.